This is your Sony 28-70 f3.5 and now it's my everyday lens. I want to talk about the lens that I use majority of the time, and this is the Sony 28-70 f3.5. Right now, I have a 16-50mm on the camera, but we're going to discuss this. Why I bought this lens specifically. I just wanted a versatile lens that I can use in most situations and something that doesn't have a crazy low f-stop like 1.8. As you know, that's not always a good thing depending on what you're shooting. But most cases, this is the only lens that I bring when I do photo shoots and also video. Now this is a full frame all-round performer, great optical performance, very lightweight and compact with a smooth and responsive zoom and focus rings. For the price, it wasn't too bad considering what I was looking for, and I didn't essentially want to break the bank getting some G Master lens that everyone has nowadays. So if you're a beginner or experienced photographer, this is still a great addition to a kit without you breaking your pockets. In terms of image quality, it produces sharp and clear images, perfect for different shooting variations. As you can see here, I've done various different types of shoots, different lighting conditions, and I'm fairly impressed with the photos, and I'll continue to use it. Let's talk about the negatives. Sometimes 28mm is just not wide enough, and f-stop 3.5 is not ideal for low light situations, depending on what you're particularly shooting. And this is why sometimes I'll always carry an external light with me. This is not a fast lens too, so you may struggle to capture fast moving objects. But other than that, I'll still give it a go. The lens does have a quick and accurate autofocus, nice bokeh. If I move it in the screen, it will stay focused. As you can see, I'm still out of focus, and let's see how I can focus when I'm actually pulling out. Now what you're seeing here is the 28-70 that is on a Sony a7R II. So sometimes it's not always the fastest, depending on the lighting situations, but it can still work for your use case. There you have it. My everyday lens, didn't break the bank, and yeah, I'll continue using it from here on. Thanks for watching.